Introducing EI Design's unique framework that you can use to predict, evaluate, and validate the learnability or learning effectiveness of your online courses. To be able to achieve a positive return on investment on your training initiative, you need to make sure that there is adequate application of learning, and that depends on the learnability or learning effectiveness of your courses. A product of our Innovation Lab, our unique framework will not just help you enhance or remediate your current approach to meet the required learnability, but also help you predict, evaluate, and measure learnability and validate this prediction with your learners through real-time surveys. With our framework, you can create parameters to evaluate the learnability of your courses, update your parameters based on the actual evaluation, formulate an implementation strategy accordingly, and carry out formative and summative evaluation with actual learners. Confused? Let's take a look at a couple of examples that showcase the impact that our new learnability framework has had on the learning experience of one of our courses. This is how the module organizer screen looked like. Here, learners had to go through a long video and a welcome screen and then come to the menu. Based on the recommendations of our learnability experts, we changed the screen to this, combining the welcome and the menu screens so that learners are quickly introduced to the module. Here's another instance where the interactivity was not intuitive for learners, as they had to click on the people images which look like they are part of the background image. And this is the change we brought about. We converted the clickable to a contextual icon click, which provided the learners with the desired intuitive prompt and get the right interactive experience. Let's now take a quick look at how we validated the learnability of one of our existing courses against the parameters laid out by our learnability experts. Here's an instance where we wanted to validate that if we provide an option to skip the intro animation, what percentage of users opt for it. If the results indicate majority did so, we would have to update the strategy. Here's another instance where we checked how many people actually access the pages using the top menu and the bottom thumbnail menu. The intention was to determine usage patterns and ease of use in the user interface. We observed the learner behavior on these screens and generated a report that gave us clear cues on what worked and what didn't. This gave us valuable insights on the learner experience and amend our design where required. Our framework enables you to address the extended learnability aspect as well, wherein you can monitor a group of learners over a period of time and evaluate them based on the metrics. You can then come up with insights on how to use specific learning interventions to improve performance further. Looking for an approach to predict, measure, and enhance the learnability of your online courses? We can help you with that and more. For more insights, do contact us.